Don't watch the rest of this video unless you want to see men. That's right. What do you get when a cat's in a microwave? You get me masturbating to a microwave, and we don't need to worship the cat because I already put him on high. That last joke was awkward, just like the situation when my neighbor came up to me and asked, "Hey Jeff, have you seen my cat?" And I said, "No dude, I was masturbating all day." "Your dog looks nice." "I ate chicken last night, does he want a bone?" And my neighbor said, "Here's my dog, you can, yeah." What do you get when a dog's in the microwave? You get me wishing I had a cat.